Happy Tuesday, everyone. Meteorologist John Homenuk with Empire Weather here with your agriculture morning briefing. Just a quick overview of what's going on across the day today. Quiet morning across a large majority of the Ohio Valley down into the Central Plains. We do have a weak upper low moving across the southeastern United States. The remnants of that cold front producing some storms this morning across parts of Mississippi, Georgia, and even parts of Alabama. Otherwise, it's fairly quiet across a large majority of that region this morning after the front cleared. Quiet across the Ohio Valley as well, and trending warmer throughout the day today. We can see the storm system moving through the northern plains, producing some showers across Minnesota and Wisconsin. That'll continue as we go through the day today. Let's look at temperature forecasts for the rest of the day. We see we will warm up pretty substantially here this afternoon. The core of that major heat continuing across the southern plains into the central plains. It's just brutal down there right now in Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. And you can see the warmth starting to extend back up here into the Ohio Valley. We had a little bit of a cooler day yesterday, but we're warming up pretty substantially again today. The northern plains cooler with temperatures in the 60s and 70s in North Dakota and northern Minnesota through the afternoon. We do have a couple disturbances to talk about today. These are very weak and they're embedded within the flow here, but this one coming off the mountains of the Rockies could produce a couple of isolated showers and storms across eastern Colorado, Kansas, the Oklahoma Panhandle, and Texas later today and tonight. The main disturbance, though, if we go back and look at that again, is right here across the Dakotas and northern Minnesota. This guy is going to slide off to the east later this afternoon. Models have enough instability in place to allow for the redevelopment of showers and storms across eastern, northern Minnesota, as well as parts of Wisconsin before they shift off to the north and east into parts of Canada later tonight. If we look over the southeast states, generally a quiet pattern today across the Ohio Valley, but we could have some further shower and storm development across the southeast United States, specifically in parts of South Carolina heading towards the coast overnight tonight. Again, from a temperature perspective, we back this up when we look at what's going on here across the country and we look at the temperatures. You can see really where the core of the heat is across the plains, extending up here into the Ohio Valley through the afternoon and into the evening. Let's zoom back in and look at the overnight lows. Here are the minimum temperatures as we move into Wednesday morning. You can see that it's quite warm, especially from Missouri into parts of Illinois and even parts of Wisconsin and Michigan. Temperatures overnight dropping not much further than the low to mid 70s, and obviously much warmer here in the southern plains as well. So this is where your crop stress really comes into play here over the next couple of days. Looking ahead to Wednesday, we'll see this low pressure system possibly lead to the development of some showers and storms from Michigan down into parts of Indiana. These guys need the rain, so we'll take whatever we can get. Model's a little split on exactly how many storms develop, but we could see a band of showers and storms moving through the Ohio Valley on Wednesday afternoon that will eventually slide eastward and southeastward over the next couple of days. So we'll see. We'll keep an eye on that. We'll obviously have a more detailed video and updates as we go through the day. For today, mostly quiet weather with the exception being the southeast states and then obviously the northern plains with those warmer temperatures persisting. We'll be back with a lot more coming your way this morning. For now, have a wonderful Tuesday morning. We'll talk to you guys very soon.